Hey, so here I've written the code and imported the first TensorFlow on the first one, and then creating the embedding variable, then importing the projector things from TensorBoard plugin, and then iterating by creating a session through the uh, object. So here, I've commented the code to make it explanatory. And here I give the data CSV. For that, I have imported the data CSV from my local folder. And here the data CSV I have uploaded. So I am giving the path for the data CSV. Once I'm reading it, I'm just writing it to the embedding test CKBT, where like everything will generate here. And based on that, once this is done, I'm going through the TensorBoard to load it, and then I'm running this command to show the projector. And as it was asked to mention that we need to show our name in the recording. So this is my name, as you can see, my Google account through the Google Colab. And once this is done, I am searching for the word called love, and there are matches of love things are coming. I'm choosing exactly the one which is the word love asked in the question, and going to rerun this iteration to make it again from the starting of the iteration. So just to make it faster, I have choose the GPU from the runtime uh, instead of CPU, so that the iteration can run faster. And based on that, as you can see, every time it is selecting the relevant words which are very much nearest to the love word, and choosing the different iteration going through this one. And based on that, it is considering the nearest point of different words here on the right hand side, where it is talking about fully sightedness and a few others. So basically, if we look into the while it is running, meanwhile I can show the data file how I've read it through. As basically, before doing this one, I just searched for the love word manually for my understanding purpose. So as you can see, there are multiple words which is very much similar to love, like lovedest or lovest or loves, which is very much lover. So all these words are very much similar. So when we are doing the iteration to this command, so it's basically shows the running of the word love that I have searched here on the right hand side, and using the TSNE, it is reiterating through multiple times for the word and trying to find out the um, word love within the data set that I have uploaded, and trying to find the nearest neighbor, and it will give me the different value for love. So it is trying to iterate through and create a different categorization. And if I just hover on, it will just show every word. And if I'm not hovering on, it mostly highlight the word called love, because that is what I have searched for. And during this meantime, as you can see, the iteration goes more than 400, and it is increasing. So I'm just keeping it just for recording purpose, so that you can see that how this iteration goes through till the point of 1000 iteration, as it has been asked in the question. So basically, I refer to this link which was given here in the tload, and based on that, I try to use the code that is relevant for the one, and based on that, I try to write the code here. However, there was few tweaks I had to do, because it was not exactly the same thing I could use. For example, this compact version of V1, I have used it instead of the one that was given in the link where it is talking about um, truncated of TensorFlow. So there was little bit tweaks I have to do to make it run. But apart from that, basically, I'm running through the same session and trying to create the TensorBoard. So to create the TensorBoard also, I run these commands instead of running the command that was given here, because it's probably because of the difference in the version that this examples is given compared with what I'm doing for. So probably that's why I have to use a different setup, little bit trick of commands that I have done. And as you can see, the iteration is still going till 700 plus. We'll keep it continue till more than 1000 as asked by the question, Professor. And we'll see how's it going. And here you can see still the nearest points of the love that it is showing for. So it is now more than 900. And I think within a minute it will goes more than 1000, which will be enough for based on the question that has been asked here to run the word, search the word love in 3D space with more than 1000 iteration. More than 1000 TC iteration with the 3D space. So that's why I have selected this 3D space. And as you can see, like there are T, X, Y, and Z axis it has. So I'm stopping it here now, and I'm stopping the recording. Thank you for watching the video. Please share your comments or feedback, Professor. And I hope you will like this video. Thank you.